All right, everyone, we are going to update Kaspa really quick here. So Kaspa had a nice move. We all know this. Nothing really has changed from the last couple of updates, so there's just a couple of things I want to point out. First, looking at the Heikinashi candles here on the 3-day, printing green, no shadow, telling us the trend up is still pretty strong. But if we go down to the daily chart, you can see that it slowed down and we have rolled over to red. So that could indicate the price of Kaspa is about to come back down. One reason you could make a case for that is if we go back to the chart we've been watching, the 3-day chart here, just notice the lower high here in December of 2023. And then now fast forward to February, you can see off of this wick here, just a slightly lower high here. And, you know, if you just kind of zoom out, you can see how you could consider this a double top formation with lower highs, as you can see here on Kaspa. And she's about to come crashing back down, potentially to fill these weekly gaps back here. So there is a potential, you know, that we could get Kaspa at a cheaper price after this spike to the upside. So I'm just pointing that out. That is not spreading any kind of FUD on Kaspa. I think Kaspa is going to be a top player in this next bull run. I think it's going to be a top 5 crypto in the future. So I love everything Kaspa has going on. So it is a very good investment. So if we can get this thing to drop back down to some of these lower price targets, so be it. We would take that all day, I would imagine. I know I would. But just looking at it right now, we did have a nice pump to the upside out of what we were kind of watching as a bull flag pattern. And I would say keep it real simple. As long as you hold over the 786 at 8 or 13.8 rather, you are still bullish here for a push higher. And with that being said, once you break over the high here at about 14.8 and then break the high at 15.5, then we can look at these higher price targets, of course. A lot of stops along the way according to this Fibonacci. So we're going to go ahead and get that off of the chart. Just remember those prices on Kaspa. And the moment that we get a candle to start moving here and we break that high, like I said, from back here in December, once we break this wick high here, that's going to tell you she's going to start moving. But right now, potential double top with the lower highs, and the price to beat, of course, is 15.5. So just keep an eye on those prices on Kaspa. And we do have one target to watch if Kaspa does move up and break over the resistance here at about a 10.5% move. We're looking at about 24 cents as our next resistance price. And from where we are right now, that's about a 71% move here. So it's all going to depend on what happens here. We got to break these wicks here, break that market structure, the overall market structure, and we'll see what happens here. But right now, the momentum is up. And just simply watch that support. And if we hold the support at that 786, you know, that's a good step in the right direction. And she's probably going to break the high very soon here. So we will leave it at that on Kaspa. Not financial advice. Thanks for watching. And peace out.